jungle. Tall trees all around. I see a shape, a figure, swinging on the vines through the canopy, making screeching sounds. Oh, how I wish I could suddenly be a baboon, orangutan, or any monkey. Why am I not a monkey? Why am I not a monkey? I see the animals roaming through the brush. Could be a hippo, a camel, or maybe just a moose, a donkey, or an armadillo. Oh, how I want to be like a llama or gorilla. Why am I not a monkey? 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 If I had a tail, I'd swing through trees all day. If I were a monkey, it wouldn't be socially awkward when I say, why am I not a monkey? Why am I not a monkey? Why am I not a monkey?
'Cause you're a man.
Well, why am I not a monkey?
You were happy when you were a bear.
Why am I not a monkey?
Or a woolly mammoth with your
But
friends.
why am I not a monkey?
Way back you were a dragon.
Why am I not a monkey? Why am I not a monkey? Why am I not a monkey?
The song is over. It's over. The song.
I still want to be a monkey.